Just a little check on the inner workings. I'm in the attic now and checking the voltages coming from the charge controller. The top charge controller right now is measuring voltages and it's saying I'm getting 12.9. The batteries are being charged in there at 12.9 volts. The bottom show is set to measure, it's set to measure current, and it shows I'm getting 12.3 amps charging from the solar panel. But this is just from one side of the roof. This is from the east side of the roof. Because I put them in parallel because these are 30 amp 30 amp charge controllers, and when I put them all together, sometimes I burnt out a charge controller because at one time the current actually being sent out by the panels was more than 30, so I burned one out. It's right here. Oh, good. And basically separated the system into two systems, one for the east roof, one for the west roof. And so I have two charge controllers. But I set one to measure voltage and I set the other one to measure current. So if I want to see what current's on the west roof right now, I'll go change it. And the west roof at the moment, oops, you can see it's giving me 4.7 amps. And the batteries are, they're not floating, but they're fully charged. They're fully charged, but I like them to be floating before I hook up the office again. So I'm gonna be charging them all today, and tomorrow I'll hook up the office again. Right now, even let me put this back on voltage, and I'm gonna see what the voltage is on the bottom panel. That says I'm getting 13.2. I always have a little deviation between the voltage read by one of the charge controllers. I have a feeling that this charge controller on top, the 12.9, I had a little accident with it, and so I don't think it's feeling totally well, but it's good enough to keep the system running. That was a while back, so I'm probably going to replace this charge controller. Yeah, so anyway, I'm getting okay, so I'm getting 12.3 amps current on the east roof, and I'm getting 4.7 on the west roof right now. And everything looks hunky-dory. And I haven't changed my battery. Those are my battery bank. I haven't changed anything with my battery bank. They're still here. I don't hear any gurgling today, so I'd like to hear them gurgling. I know they're fully charged. That's my battery bank. all tied in series. So it's 12 volts. Got a lot of amperage. Won't bore you with the details of that.